Brighton has become known as one of the best places in the south coast to come and see graffiti. The amazing artworks have become part of the city, but it's not good news for everybody. This controversial art form can be found all over, from the city centre to the back alleys of homes and businesses. Although Brighton is home to some of the most vibrant art around, the flip side to this is tagging and the defacing of private property, which the council and other companies are working hard to eradicate. Not to be confused with graffiti, tagging consists of words or names being scribbled onto buildings and objects. It is this that Brighton and Hove Council, along with City Clean and SHW Properties, are working hard to have removed from the area. I spoke to Jason McQuillan, a local artist, about what graffiti brings to Brighton and how tagging can affect that. Jason's art can be seen all over the city, on buses and also on last year's Snow Dog campaign.
There seems to be a little bit of mini distraction between tagging and graffiti and what gets to stay and what doesn't and who's in charge of what. But for shop fronts and businesses, they seem to be taking on more and more. So it's a really good thing. Oh man, it's a hard thing, the tagging. It's like you can't quite work out whether it's like the reminiscence of a signature of someone that's smashing it or whether it's some dude with a thing. I find it quite mad when I see the fact that our shop gets repainted and then re-tagged and repainted and re-tagged. It kind of counterproductive to the other side of it. But yet, like, you got the taggers now, like, sort of fugly and stuff, who everyone's after, has now got pieces in the gallery. Getting involved with Snow Dogs was quite a strange one, because basically the Martlets helped me look after my late grandma. And I looked after her at home, and the Martlets came and helped me look after her as she passed. And then after, I was kind of offered the chance because of, basically because of the bus. The bus were the sponsors, and the Martlets wanted the artwork. And then the bus came from all the stickers and like the mini versions of all this, because there's basically more walls than I've painted in town. I've probably stuck stickers up. I really like stickers. So they got me involved in that, and the bus was kind of made of like hundreds of stickers, basically vectored and melted down. And then we did an ink version as well. And then there's the Snow Dogs, there's two now, and we got asked back being a president artist, but it's basically, I was just really happy to help.
Whether or not you see graffiti as a positive or a negative, it looks like Brighton will always be a home for the culture. Henry Bailey, Sus News.